to burst the bionic zip splitter. Breakneck speeds we drown 10 pints of bitter. We lean all day and some say that ain't productive. Could that depend upon the demon that you're stuck with? Cause right now, I see clearer than most. I sit here contented with this cheese on toast. I feel the pain of a third world famine. Said wait, we count them blessings and keep jamming. Tis him, scumbag, scum of the earth. He's worthless nil until he gained the skill of tongues. From 15 years young, straight to my grayback self. I stay top shelf material. Jerk chicken, jerk fish. Breakaway slave bliss. Generate G's and then we stash them in the sweats. Fools can't see this. Audio pistols, a fistful of hip-hop duns. I progressing in the flesh. Witness the fitness, the Clufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Clufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Clufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Clufferton living. One hope, one quest.
I got to lift some in the weight room with the brakes off. Gotta stay loaded, locked into the next tune. Yes, dude, you probably have a stuff with a case. Like you're chasing F1s and you're seconds away. I got bars so wide, it is all of your verses. Meters playing off track, you're running in circles. You stuck on the 101, you can start it in curses. Lining up that you have guessed. You know who I'm north with, I said lingual cause. Ayasib ni pa, yung mga parang medyo tabang as sinilang gamay. You better open your eyes, you gotta see the disguise. Bruce Wayne got me bruises with my signs in the sky. Sign G's my temp side. One piece if you want, you better rack up the flames. Like my diable jamble, I don't wanna go taunt you. I know that you ain't for just spread love and peace, and then you have to act cool.
Witness the fitness, the Clufferton living.